Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chengalpet. For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Sorkar jala kala benlum no ya Jymmang jong Seng Saiñpyrthei kibadan hapo jong gani jala nagabenta banya thir ya tai hakbai de batki issue gi bakta ya jala hagi bebun gi rukom khnang banya thir ya tai halor gi jingdawa jong ki pajba ki bami nagasngi shagasngi hagi jingkran bikilat pathai kubur haka artarik Jymmang arjar apulai menteri rangba jong jala konrat kongkal sangma ulai thu bagaladon gi jingthmu man khat ya Jymmang jong Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ya borok ki Seng Saiñpyrthei ya ki kinhun seng bapher ya ki kinhun nongyalam jong gi janyam bapher.
So basically now government, we have been taking multiple presentations from the departments and the cabinet is going through all the details. Most likely post the 15th, we will be having within this month itself, as I had mentioned earlier also, that in the month of May, these discussions will start and we will invite everybody. So we intend to call all our MDA members, all the political parties, all the different civil society from all areas and other important stakeholders, religious leaders, because it's something that we feel that everybody should be involved in and must understand all the facts. So post the 15th of May, the series of meetings will start at the state level as well as at the district levels, wherever it's necessary, with as many stakeholders as possible. So within this month itself, post 15th, the engagement will start.